My wife loves birds. We have solar panel birdhouses with cameras. We have suet feeders connected to trees. We have this monstrosity which holds two things, one of which I had the 3D printed lid for because this thing will get destroyed in the rain apparently, although the birds are doing a good job with it. And then we have this, which I think is a finch feeder, but we have a new one because squirrels love all this stuff and we need to get a handle on it. This is her newest bird feeder, and these little bars here can come out and we can reposition them to be tighter or larger depending on what we need. You can see the squirrels have already eaten it, so we need to put different things on there. But it has this big metal bar. This thing is solid steel, it's 1/2 inch diameter, it's enormous, it's strong, it's great. But the problem is the clamp that came with it doesn't fit anywhere along my fence. So I needed to create a custom one. And I used Onshape to basically create the geometry of that area, went through and put a bunch of circles and stuff, put the holes in, and then made a drainage hole so it doesn't rust as long there, put all that stuff in there, and then threw it into the slicer. The only thing I did with the slicer was put it at a 45-degree angle and increase the walls and otherwise infill strength so that it printed strongly and wasn't separated by layers. 45 degrees seems to be a good way to print things. So this is what I made. It goes down into this, which is basically just a big holder, has screw holes, all of that. It's printed with 4 layers and 50% infill. It's super strong. It holds this thing without any problems, and it stays in the shade all of the time. So I'm not worried about it being PLA because I have PLA prints that have been outside for years and look just great. The only thing I had to do was get this little adapter thingy that I put as like a collar just so they can't rotate. This basically clamps it down so when the wind blows, it can't do anything else. But we got that thing solved pretty easily. So yeah, my wife has a problem with bird stuff, but at least having this thing mounted and holding up birdseed is not the problem. Now we just need to mark rover it and figure out how to deal with the squirrels. Oh, and here's our graveyard of bird feeders that no longer work because squirrels have either damaged them or figured out how they all work and it doesn't do its thing anymore. Awesome.